Hi there, and welcome to Omnisend's Email Marketing Fundamentals course. The purpose of this course is to help you drive your first email marketing sale as quickly as possible. In fact, we had a similar course before, and the people who watched that from start to finish were 2 times more likely to drive that first sale than people who didn't watch. The newly updated course is going to be even better. We are going to provide you with everything you need, the strategy, the mindset, the step-by-step instructions in order to make that happen. We're going to dispel some popular myths that people believe about email marketing that can actually lead to poor results. We're going to talk about how to design beautiful, professional-looking emails, how to collect high-quality, engaged subscribers, the essential automated workflows that you need to drive revenue while you sleep, and so much more. All of that combined, we could easily be selling this course for a couple of $100s, but we are giving this to you for free because we want you to succeed with Omnisend, and your success is our success. So follow the instructions we give you, and I guarantee you will drive that first email marketing sale. Alright, now that you understand exactly what you're in for, let's get right into it. I'll see you in the next video.